Good evening everyone, I am Shanvi Kumari of class 5B from Bishop Scott Girls School and I will take you to the journey to West Bengal with my friends Soumya, Swasti and Tanya with my subject teacher Shashi Prabha ma'am. Thank you. I will explain about the history and culture of West Bengal. The word Bengal is derived from an Austic word Bonga, which means sun god. In 1947, the Bengal was divided into two parts, West Bengal and East Bengal, which is now called Bangladesh, and West Bengal came into India. Bengal has played a pivotal role in Indian freedom movement. Many proponents of Indian freedom struggle are hailed from Bengal, including Chittaranjan Das, Khudiram Bose, Sarojini Naidu, and many more. The culture of Bengalis gives a special identity to the state with various unique features of heritage in its music and especially literature. Apart from the religious rituals and ceremonies, the people of Bengal or the Bengalis have their own rituals in ceremonies like birth, marriages, and even death. The traditional attire of Bengali men is generally a white dhoti adopted by a Punjabi. Bengali women mostly prefer to wear cotton or silk sarees. Bengali sarees are very famous across the globe. Thank you. Now the journey of heritage and literature will be carried out by my friend Soumya Singh.
Thank you, Shanvi, and good evening, everyone. I am Soumya Singh of class 5B from Bishop Scott Girls School with my subject teacher Shashi Prabha ma'am, and today I am going to explain the heritage and literature of West Bengal. Bengal has always been a major center of arts, cultures, and literatures. The soil of Bengal gives us an intellectual like Rabindranath Tagore, Rajaram Mohan Rai, and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Bengali literature is one of the oldest literature in the world. Bengal is the main center of British during the rule in India. In West Bengal, there are many historical places such as Victoria Memorial, Habra Bridge and Rijm Palace, etc. The colorful monasteries with a statue and votive objects are repositories of knowledge and art. Now, the food and agriculture of West Bengal will be carried out by Tanya Kumari. Thank you.
Thank you, Soumya. I am Tanya Singh of class 5 from Bishop Scott Girls School with our subject teacher Shashi Prabha ma'am, and I am explaining about agriculture and food of West Bengal. The principal food grow here is rice and noodles. Cash crops is a tea. In Darjeeling, West Bengal is ranked first in the product of jute, rice, vegetable, and second potato product. As we know, West Bengal is located at the coastal area of Bay of Bengal. Hence, the agriculture of fish is one of the prominent agriculture of West Bengal. Therefore, there is an emphasis on rice and vegetable and lentils and survey staple rice in Bengali cashew. As a result of multi-cultural community, the cashew of Kolkata are continuously changed by the influence and Chinese and Malwani foods. A dessert accompanied by sweets like rasgulla and shamdes will end the meal with comb as a digestive aids. Now the journey of dance and festival will continue by Swasti Shreya.